In this video, I will show you how to change the dock size on the macOS. If you want to customize the size of your dock to the small or large or medium, then this video is for you. Let's get started. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. Click on the system settings from your dock. Click on the desktop and dock. Here is the option to resize the icons of your dock. If you select to the extreme left, then you will see the size of the icons on the dock is getting smaller and smaller. So this is how you can get the smallest of the size. If you want to make the size of the icons on the dock bigger, then drag this option to the extreme of the right, and then you will see the icons are getting bigger and bigger on the size. When you move it to the extreme right, then it is the biggest size of your icons on the dock. So this is how you can change the dock size on the Mac OS. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.